YouTube. This is Naslove, but Nas Beauty. So today I am bringing a very delicious mashed potato. You heard me, mashed potato. So this one is the original mashed potato, made with 100% real Idaho potatoes. You can get it in every grocery store, but this one is from Walmart. Here you have it. So I usually make my delicious mashed potato with, of course, go with the size of your family. Yes, my producer's like poking that little finger right there. I am watching. So sorry. I have like 2 cups of milk, sorry, and it was boiling, but warm it up, boil, whatever is convenient for you. So I do use this milk, the latte, but you could use any milk, it's fine. It's 1%, so any milk that you have on hand, it's fine. So since it's already hot, we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon. I'm sorry, yeah, about a tablespoon of salt. Put it in your milk. Stir it. And I usually go with about a tablespoon of butter also. Put it in there. And this is the butter that I use. Any butter you have on hand, it's just fine. And so put your butter. When it's melting, you can put your mashed potato, pour it in there until it's very, getting thicker. I don't measure because I have a big size family. I just go accordingly to what it's gonna be enough for them. But if you wanna measure, that's fine. They have I think they do have direction in the back of the bags how you can make for how many. For 2 people, is this for 3 or for 4, for 8, but I don't use all those directions because it doesn't work for me. Okay, so that's how I do get my mashed potato too. And we're gonna let it simmer. And while it's getting together, these are my ingredients. I do use mozzarella. It's a low moisture, whatever part skim. So it's mozzarella, whatever, low fat, whatever it's convenient for you. So this is the brand that I use. It's Great Value mozzarella. I do use cream cheese, garlic, and sour cream. So those are my ingredients that I put in my mashed potato. So right now, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead, use my leftover cream cheese. I usually call it cheese cream, but it's cream cheese, cheese cream, whatever. So make sure you play with your cream cheese to get them, to make sure that it's melted in your mashed potato. If you have one of those bad parts, just go ahead, tune it off. Not tune it off, but put the heat on the medium or low, whatever, You see my pots the milk was boiling, and now I have like some brown stuff in my mashed potato. This right here, it's a sour, sour cream. I usually put about, like a tablespoon. I will just go for a tablespoon. Garlic, of course, I don't miss garlic in my mashed potato. That's like a garlic mashed potato, and that's a teaspoon, a tablespoon, whatever is convenient for you. Little black pepper to taste, and put some mozzarella. I would say maybe a cup or half a cup. If you are a cheese lover, you could put a cup. If you are not, just use your own judgment as far as the cheese. And mix it. Make sure you mix it well. And I don't like this pot because it just ruined my recipe. But anyways. So make sure you mix your mashed potato well. As far as for the cream cheese, I forgot to tell you guys the measurements. You can use maybe like maybe like this size, like this. You cut it like that, like this. About, I don't know, half, a quarter. So just this much right there. About maybe 2 tablespoons, maybe, I don't know, 2 to 3 tablespoons if you are a cream cheese lover. Okay, if you don't love cream cheese, then use any substitute. But if you want to have mashed potato like mine, honey, to choose some creamy cheese. So you see, this is some creamy mashed potato, and I do use the whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. Make sure you shake it, shake it like a salt shaker. So guava, I usually put about half a cup or a cup. It just depends on your family size. Oh, I'm sorry. It just depends on the size, pretty much the size of the mashed potato, or how many people you're making the mashed potato for. So that's it. And as far as the salt, don't put a tablespoon. Put like maybe a teaspoon, just to be on the safe side. And if it doesn't taste for you, then you could go ahead and add a dash to just give you more flavor. So voila, that was very easy. And just if it's more watery, you could go ahead and add a little mashed potato powder. But if you let it simmer a little bit, it will get thicker. Or whenever you turn off, pretty much when it's hot, it's more, like watery. But when you turn off your stove and it get, it cooled a little bit, it cooled off a little bit, then it will get thicker. So I usually leave it like this, because when you start serving to put it on a plate, sometimes it get more thicker. So you don't want it to be thicker, you don't want it to be thinner. So you just use your own judgment. So this is how I like it. And that's it. I'm gonna show you guys how I serve the mashed potato with my two side dish. I made the pork chop and the sweet peas. So we'll be right back. Voila! This is the pork chop, sweet pea, mashed potato. So that's for dinner. That's our dinner tonight. Look how beautiful this look. Oh, I'm gonna taste the sweet piece. Delicious. So just a little pork chop. Yummy. Little mashed potato. Look at that mashed potato. It's creamy, delicious mashed potato. It smells amazing and it tastes bueno. Easy recipe, tastes delicious. There you have it. Sorry, y'all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Do not forget to thumbs up if you like the video. Leave a comment below. And see you in the more video. See you in the next video to come. I don't know how to say. I'm so tired today. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. So see you. I don't know how to say. See you in the next video to come, right? And I love you guys, and thank you for supporting, for being my fan, and for riding with me. So I see you soon. Bye bye.